January.
20th January.
Item number 39.
My lords. My lords.
Listen to your lords.
Yes.
Why the I was not there. Ask for your lord. Technically, then I go price process of recruitment, and we understand that not for the intent. In fact, going back to the intent, that the statement was apparently intended to be process would continue the final appointment. Honorable Division Bench has directed and requested the pick up the matter. We have also applied that the matter. The tribunal and the order of the matter will be taken up. No observing. Next question. Now the order has been passed by your lordship on 8th of September. The direction is there. I'm sorry, 18th of September. The direction is there. What?
Just a minute.
Yes. Because we are hopeful that the matter will be taken up on that day. We have made the effort to including in the tribunal.
So, all right, then what happens to this ad that you have taken out?
Now, this is your lordship's order of 8th September. 18th September is there on that. I request that the matter be stood over by 2 weeks. You would know the outcome before the tribunal, one way or the other. In case we succeed, we will get it.
No, I can dispose of this petition saying that your statement will continue till the OS decide whatever decide by the time.
Your lordship was only concerned with the fact of the matter is not where there's no the highest regard to your lordship. So there was no intent.
No, so then what happens to this?
Just see the 8th of October, your lordships have accepted the communication of 24th September. I'll just quote your lordship. There's really nothing more that needs to be done. On the 24th of September, what has been done is only the candidature minus was either accepted or rejected. Nothing more than that.
That is a part of it.
24th September, which is recorded in a lordship order of 8th October.
Yes.
3 is only a decision on the candidature. Right. The tentative examinations which your lordship has recorded in the order of.
No, but you see the process itself is once you start the process.
Now, what is the next?
So that's what I'm asking you today.
The next step is
Yes.
tentative examination which is there. Your lordship order is already recorded this, and that is the tentative examination subject to the outcome. And we come back if it would be after 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Personally, we will no order of this order report would be valid.
There is a recent development has been occurred by the respondent yesterday night, my lords. They have reflected in the website of the one of the RRC that the examination date has been finalized, and that is earlier there was presumption that it will start from this to that date, but now they have clarified the final date that is. For their intent is to conduct the examinations.
There is nothing new in this.
There is, my lord. Lords, kindly go through the which has been already reflected in the order sheet, my lord, that the date of examination from this date to December 25. But now the date has been clarified that it will be up to 31st of December 25. Their intent is, my lord. Yesterday, my lord.
But your affidavit that you placed on record is totally contrary to what your state is committing now.
And Lord, this they
now, I would, as I said, I didn't want to embarrass the officers, the administration was informed. Process would go on, appointments would not be intended for. Therefore, sorry about it, nothing in violation of this order.
So you can start a process, you can get people involved, get their interests also involved, then you say that it will subject to the outcome.
Then further 10,000 litigation will develop.
How unfair is that?
Now, your lordship has already passed the order of 18th September.
But then how unfair is that? Once you've given a statement that no steps will be taken,
My lord,
then you call for some.
As I said, the delegate is there. the advice which was communicated was.
No, but then
different. That is
today-
the problem which is everything.
All right, today-
State-
All right, but your affidavit today is totally contrary to what you're saying. Either you
We'll
file.
file a response to this, Manoj. We will come back with it, but we, assure your lordship, Manoj, no order of this court would be violated. Your lordship, may kindly confirm that.
All right, you say that,
My lords, may I submit, my lords?
respondent number 3 is, in person's order dated so and so. He is present in court. Senior counsel appeared on behalf of the respondents, submits that, a fresh affidavit stroke response shall be placed on record before the next hearing. It is further pointed out that that the respondents by way of civil CM application number 66337 of 2025 had approached the Learned Division bench seeking modification of the order dated 28/7/2025. The said application was disposed of by Learned Division bench at liberty to the respondents to take appropriate remedies in accordance with law with respect to OA, with respect to hearing of the OA listed before the Learned Tribunal. It is pointed out that the matter is now listed before the Learned Tribunal on
30th of
30th of October 2025. It is further it's in view they were re-notified, give it in the mid-November, and we shall let the affidavit be placed on record before the next hearing. Interim orders to continue.
13th November.
The lordship, fire respondent, speak.
That's all right if he files an affidavit which is.
Item number 40 is over. Item number 41.